Hello, I am Agent B. Today, I will show you how to purchase tickets for the World Cup matches, both for the group stage and the subsequent stages of the tournament. I won't lie to you, many tickets are sold out, but at the end of the video, I will show you a way to get those tickets officially. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is type FIFA into your browser. We'll buy here because it's the official site for doing so, which will protect us from falling victim to a scam if we do it on another unofficial website. Once on the website, click on Tickets and Hospitality. Here, we must choose the FIFA tournament we want to attend, in this case, the World Cup. Scroll down a bit and click on Tickets, Explore Details, and then on Learn More. This will open a new window where we must create an account by registering. For the purposes of the video, I already did this before, but it's not difficult. They ask you for some information, as is typical when creating an account on any website. They will send a verification code to your email and little else. Once you log in, you will see your account panel and you must click on My Requests. Here, you can choose from a random selection of available matches to purchase tickets or a particular team for which tickets are still available. It's worth mentioning that not all teams are listed because tickets are already sold out, but don't worry, later in the video, I'll give you another purchasing option. To get an idea of the price, let's choose tickets to see Spain. Accept the FIFA conditions, and then you can choose between group stage matches and matches in the following rounds, if Spain advances to the next stage. For the group stage matches, let's choose this eye-catching one between Spain and Uruguay. Tickets range from $265 to $700. Choose the number of tickets, click Continue, verify the ticket number, price, and match, and click Continue. FIFA clarifies that if you purchase more than one ticket, you may not be seated together. You can submit a request for the number of seats you want together, which may be accepted or denied. It also clarifies that you are requesting a chance to purchase a ticket and that it is not guaranteed that you will get one. To increase your chances, you can check this box to give permission to downgrade your selected ticket category in order to have a better chance of obtaining a ticket. This will affect your price, which may be lower if you were assigned a lower category. Finally, click on Submit Request and proceed to the payment gateway to complete your purchase. Let's see Spain's matches if they advance to the other stages of the tournament. I should clarify that if you buy tickets for the next stage and your team unfortunately does not advance to that stage, you can request a refund. You will only be charged a $10 administrative fee and the rest will be refunded. Now that this has been clarified, let's continue with the video. Let's see how much a ticket costs if Spain reaches the final. We can see that they range from $4,185 to $8,680. The next step would be to choose the number of tickets you want. Now let's see what I promised you, how to buy tickets that are no longer available. For this, FIFA has made a section available for official resale and ticket exchanges. Let's take a look by returning to the FIFA website, going to the World Cup tickets section, scrolling down a bit, and this time clicking on Marketplace, Resale/Exchange Now. We click on Buy, and once inside, we can choose by filtering the matches by location or checking the list to see if there is a match that interests us. Let's look at this one between Argentina and Algeria at the Kansas City Stadium. We can see on this map the location of the category we're buying. We can see that prices for Category 1 range from $1,522 to $57,500. FIFA will always give you the lowest price available. In this case, if I want to buy a ticket, it will give me the $1,522 ticket until they run out at that price and move on to the next one. The cheapest resale price is $845, which is not cheap at all to buy from resellers, and you'll see why below. I chose a Category 1 ticket, and as you can see, its original price was $410. What do you think? Here we can see the purchase details. You accept FIFA's terms and conditions, and to finalize the purchase, you must make the payment. You can pay with a Visa or MasterCard credit card. Once you have purchased your tickets, FIFA also allows you to reserve parking for your vehicle and book a place through Airbnb. Another option is the complete hospitality packages that include premium tickets, food and drink, entertainment, and much more. These are available in the 3 host countries, including individual matches and private boxes. If you would like me to make a video about this option, please let me know in a comment. I hope I've given you all the information you need. If so, please give me a like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye for now.